Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to open box, test and review electric spin scrubber. So in this video we will just simply open box and see what is inside, and we will test, and we will end of the video we will leave honest review and how this machine is work. I seen really cheap on Amazon. This one was showing like a $47, then it shows me $20 coupon. So total cost for this one to my house was like around $30 to $35. Let's open box and see what we get inside. So not sure if I have mentioned already, this one is a rechargeable. You can just recharge. For rechargeable, when you open box, you get a cable, USB-C cable to recharge. So first you get in box instruction manual how to put this machine together. On the top you see this machine by itself. It also tells you the battery percentage, how much battery left over, little display, on off buttons, charge port, and brush goes at the front. Under this one there's all the fittings, the brushes, scrubbers, according to your use, where you're going to use. Now I want to talk a little bit in detail about everything here. So this one is machine holder. You have a little sticky pad on the back. You can put it anywhere in your bathroom, kitchen. The convenient place is more useful to hang your machine, so you don't have to leave on ground. You get a 2 brush attachment, a small one. This one is a flat and this one little round. You can see there's 2 connectors. This one brush and this one small other. I'm gonna open this one, see what it look like. So they go like this on machine, and this piece to connect your scrubbers, and these 2 pieces, this will stick to it and to spin. This one white brush, like wide area, go under the corner in your toilet or anywhere. These are just extensions you connect to your machine, so it will be like about from 1 foot to almost 3.5 or 4 foot. Next part, we got a bag. We're gonna put all the supplies inside the bag, the one we're not using right now, and you can store it on side. And now let's talk about the machine extension and the handles, the way you're going to use. You can see here a little flat area, and this piece goes simply here, you press and hold. So this one about like that is about 2 feet. You can also extend more, 1 more feet. You see this one arrows, press and hold, you can pull this one out. So this machine goes like this with one handle, almost 3 feet. You're gonna push it back, and the next one you're gonna connect this one here. It just threaded part go in here. I'm gonna move my camera and see how long completely out this machine. So the way I mentioned before, completely extended, but the handle and everything, this machine is about 4 foot. Now I'm gonna remove this handles and everything, and we're gonna ready and prepare for test. How to assemble any brush. There is a 2 hole for a lock, and there's also those 2 locks you need to make in a line and just press. You're supposed to hear click, and that's it. Turn on, and you see it start spinning with the brush more fast. We will start using this machine and a review for everything, how long this machine gonna last after 100%, and how strong this motor and everything. Now let's start test. I'm gonna turn power off, and I have one issue with this machine I just want to share. As you can see, there's 2 hole. I was more curious about how to remove this piece. I just move back and forth, it come off, and in certain case you have to push something here to remove these locks. It will come off. There's nothing but this machine, and I didn't see any tools to remove. But only problem with this one, if I use this one, as you can see, it's a flat. You cannot even put anything like a screwdriver or anything. They supposed to make it something else, but I know if it's threaded, it's like gonna come loose when we're gonna use it. Now the next part we're gonna use. I will use some sample brush and scrubbers, not all. So now I have used this machine for many time. From 2-3 weeks I was using, so I can give a true final review. This machine cost like $40, $35 to $40 worth it. I have to work a lot with this one, but I have to still hold. Before I have to use like this kind of scrubber or anything, I have to move like that. And there's other things, my hand was keep hitting on the side and certain spot. Then this machine I just use and press firmly according to the cleanliness I need. If I need a more harder clean, I speed up and I press hard. So other than this machine work great according to like a $40, nothing. I was using for 3-4 weeks waiting for to be give a true review, and this machine worth here like $40 and it cleans a lot, as I shown in a video after and before, all my sinks and everything. I showed you I have bought other supply along with this one, so I have to use like I have bought this one. So the certain spot, if this machine I was thinking not going, I can use this one like around the sink, between mirror, backsplash, and fossils and other stuff. I also bought this one for my toilet, but actually I didn't use those one much because this machine was going all over on any corner. I was using this machine. Yes, not these ones, but sometimes I have to switch like this brush to this brush. But this machine worked great. I have cleaned my showers, shower mirrors, glass. They was really bad. Because I was doing by hand, I was not doing that much job. And only the other thing I have noticed, this machine have not like on off or pause. You just have to press hold, it will start running and will you see the battery. I never ran out of battery. I always have like a 50% something. I use only 50%, but I never drained the battery. One day I used and I put back on charge. I'm going to show you what I mean. Like if I press this one and hold, this machine will start, turn on, and it will also start spinning. Then I will press another time, it will have a change of speed, then 3 speed, then I will have to press and hold to turn off. But there's nothing like this machine can stay on and this will stop. I'll show you what I mean. So now I have a fully charged 100%. So you can see it starts spinning fast, more fast, slow. That's all it's doing. We have to press and hold to turn off. I mean, it's not a big deal, but you have to be used to with the machine, how you're gonna use. It's a little noisy, but it'll be fine. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you next video with a new topic.